Greetings from Mölnvik, Värmdö, and it's time for beach day number 106, is it? I'm not really sure, but I am out on the sea and it's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris. Actually, it's 107 today, and I have walked quite a lot to get to this. It's quite a scenic one, I must say, out on the open sea. Well, not really, but it was very hard and difficult to get to this spot actually along the forest. So I got off at Molvik's Rondellen, and then I was walking towards a boat. How to say, a port. And then I was walking through forests without any trails. But I eventually came up to this spot, and now that I realized I picked the wrong side, because here it is blowing a lot wind. And there is even one boat that's left here with no people in it. So that is also strange, but they have chosen one side without wind. Or maybe they are out on the sea with a smaller boat, I'm not sure. But yeah, it's a beautiful day, 30th of July, and 25 degrees Celsius in the air here in Värmdö. In the city it was 28. And we are now approaching 5 p.m. and I am about to measure the temperature in the sea here, and I'm ready for a swim as well. I was actually swimming on that spot I can see from here. It was easier to get to that spot now that I think about it. But yeah, I'm showing you now completely new spot in the nature here in Värmdö. And we have 18 degrees Celsius in the sea. And Chris is ready for a swim in the sea on this 30th of July hot day, and I'm catching here the last rays of sunshine on this spot. This one is close to Grislinge where I'm heading after, but I wanted to experience a bit more solitude first before heading to Grislinge, where there is lots of people right now, I'm 100% sure. So let's hit the waters and enjoy a nice swim in the sea despite this heavy wind. And these rocks are so slippery, so bear with me while I find way into the water. So definitely a wild beach, and even there is some bird shit also here on this beautiful rocks to chill, especially when the wind is blowing in the different direction. Probably I won't be returning to this spot as it's just too much effort. There are much better spots like this to be discovered. Okay, so we are then ready for a swim. Ready, set, and go! Okay, I might change my mind if I come here on the weekend during the day. It might be good if there is no wind. Now it becomes very deep. And I can see on the other end Söderstedt, where there is a public beach where I have been to. But there was just something about the sea that makes me return and come back and again. Now the boat there is standing on a very nice spot for a swim, but I just didn't want to be around the boat. Not sure if there is someone there or not. But this is basically a natural port here where you can leave your boat and explore as well for free. Okay, now it's time for Chris to swim a bit longer. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Värmdö, and see you soon again with another beach adventure of the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!